In this video, I'll talk about how you can do options trading on Webull. Now keep in mind you need to open your account. This is only available in America, so you need to do that first before you can do this. After that, you need to enable options trading, so you should download the Webull app so you can do it from in there. Once you're on the app, you want to head over to the Webull logo, click more and select options trading. Once you've done that, you need to answer these questions and wait for approval. Once you've done that, you just want to find anything that you want to trade options on. So select the stock, and then once you're in there, click on options to review all the options contracts. Now from there, you want to do either a call or a put. And once you've done that, you just want to place your options trade. So either buy or sell, into how much, select the limit price and time in force, and then just confirm it. Once you've done that, you have now placed your options trade. Now there's not really much more to it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.